Magandang hapon po na Saturday, March 16, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, March 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 16, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, March 16, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 136.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 9.5 million pesos for March 16, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Saturday, March 16, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.